off with blow dried hair. I am going to part my hair, section it off, put it in the braids before I start to put in the crochet locks. All right, be right back. So just finished the back. You can see the sizing and the parting. These are gonna be bigger locks because I don't want to be here all day. That is why. So let's start with the front. So as you saw, I had 2 rows in the back, and in the front I'll have 8 rows. Altogether, I had about 47 braids. Siblings around, so you could put them to work. Isn't this fun? Hey.
Oh, you're talking to me.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's great, everybody. She loves to hear. Y'all, but do y'all see, like, my hair is growing. We have hang time, baby. She hitting the clavicle. Okay, I am on my last braid, y'all. Girl. I'm just saying, though, right? Okay. So, yeah, we're done. Let me show you the back. Now that the braids are all done, let's get to the fun part. So go ahead and grab your crochet lock, your Bobby Boss crochet lock, and you see right at the top, there's a little loop. Just stick your finger in there and start to unravel it to show the loop. Grab your crochet needle and let's hook it on. So go down the braid about 1 inch away from the root of your hair. Go ahead and hook the needle through the braid. Grab your crochet lock with the open loop, clasp the crochet needle, and pull it through. Then you want to go ahead and bring that end of the crochet through the loop. Pull all the hair through, and then just pull the knot a little bit tighter. And here you have me repeating the process again. I'm just taking the lock end and looping it through, and then just tightening the knot. And just continue that process all the way through, girl. And look, I am done. As you can see, this is where the locks fall before I extend them. But you did not come here for this, okay? You came here because you wanted them long to the thong. You want that 36 inch. So I am just putting my hair into a ponytail, and we are going to start to extend. So here I have the lock. Again, same process. We're getting that loop. Now slide the lock that has already been attached through the loop, okay? And then from the lock that has already been attached to your head, unravel it at the end into 2 parts. So just braid down like 1/2 inch. That's it. And once you're done braiding the hair, as you see me doing, you're going to stop and take those 2 pieces. I'm just detangling it a little bit to make it easier to wrap. Once you detangle it, then you start wrapping the lock. You won't even see the braid. And this is to make sure that extended lock does not fall out. You want to make sure that you attach the lock securely. I heard other horror stories of women saying that their extended lock fell out, and I could not have that happen on vacation. No way. Now y'all know I always have to show you twice. So again, I'm taking a crochet lock. I am sliding my already attached lock through that lock, splitting it into 2, and then I begin to braid it down. This time I added more hair to the end. You see those 2 pieces are longer than the other one. I just, again, wanted to make sure that it was secure. It just had to be, okay? I did not want to see a lock just like floating in the water or on the plane, snakes on the plane. None of that. I just wanted it to be secure and stay in my head. So I'm just wrapping it down. Making sure I'm concealing the braid that you won't even see. And keep twisting down. And what keeps this from unraveling if that piece on the end is very thin and kind of like straggly, and then it just stays. And we are attached. Now for part 3, the final part. We are going to wrap the roots. As you can see, everything's attached. All of the locks have been extended. So you want to grab some Marley braid hair. I'm using twisted up expressions hair that I've used for like ponytails and things like that. Any kinky textured hair will work. So I am just taking one end of the kinky hair, just lining it up against the braid, and then I just start wrapping it. Just wrap it, wrap it, wrap it. Make sure it's secure at the root, but listen and listen well. Do not wrap it too tight. I've been there, and my head was not okay. It was throbbing. So make sure it's not too tight at the root, and keep on wrapping the hair until you meet the next lock. And you want to wrap past your braid too. You want to make sure your individual braid is completely concealed. And you're just making your way down. I'm checking everything. You see, I saw the braid where that stopped. I want to go past that and just twist all the way down. And once I go past my braid, I just cut the end of the Marley hair so I won't have to wrap forever. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I was so excited to see one done. Yes, let's keep it going. So I'm just showing you guys again, same process, doing it all the way through. And I believe, is this my last one? Yes, it's my last one. I made it. Oh, I couldn't wait to be done with this hair. And I'm so glad I did larger parts because, yeah, I didn't have it in me this time, folks. Didn't have it in me this time to do a long hairstyle with a million locks. I've been there, done that. All right, just finishing up the last one. And look, I am done. Yes.
So as you all can see, my gray's here, but I got this stuff a while back. It's called colored edges. Wait, can you see that? Okay, I'll just do colored edges. In the color black. It's temporarily colored touch up for gray. I'm just gonna put that up in the areas. Just a little bit. And it just covers up. See the comparison side? All over. I've had these grays since I was a little girl. It's hereditary. I definitely have more now. And will I be doing this every day? Absolutely not. But yeah, it does the trick. So we're all done with that. Let me just go ahead.